What are some simple keto snacks for on the go? I can guarantee you something, all right? No matter what you do, no matter how closely you follow your plan, and no matter how dedicated you are, when life happens, our plans get thrown for a loop. Suddenly, our perfect prepping and planning goes out the window, and we're just scrambling to keep up with our day. Days like these are inevitable, and days like these can be enough to completely derail us from our progress. A hectic and busy day makes keeping keto way harder, unless you're prepared. Seriously though, why does it feel like everything quick and easy is keto killing and high carb? Yes, we're talking about those drive-thrus. Here's how to make sure you're always prepared for crushing ketosis for when life happens and you're short on time. Arm yourself with keto snacks. For most people, they snack a lot, less on keto than they do normally. That's because your body was switched off of quick and fleeting carb-based energy to steady fuel from fat. But it's always good to be prepared with my favorite on-the-go keto snacks. Cheese, stringer sliced, pepperoni, salami, Vienna sausage, Spam, not the first choice, canned sardines, nuts like macadamia nuts and almonds are amazing, other seeds, jerky without the added sugar, olives and nut butters. And best part about most of these, they travel incredibly well and don't need to be refrigerated. So translation, you've got ketogenic fuel whenever and wherever you are. On even your craziest and hectic days, with snacks, it's always better to have them on hand than to not have them when you do need them. So stock up your kitchen and set yourself up for success.